Good morning and namaste. I'm back with another video. Today my video topic is about Tata Altroz. Now, is Tata Altroz a still good buy in 2024? In fact, you see there is so much onslaught of SUVs, mid-size SUVs, mini SUVs, but still Tata Altroz is whether a good buy for you. So let's find out. Now, this is the Tata Altroz of 2021 and this is the Tata Altroz of 2024. We'll first see what are the differences between the two, whether there is really any difference between the two cars in between this, and both are XT model. Only this car is DCA, that is it is automatic, and this is manual. But whether both the cars are still same, they have already upgraded the car. So let's find out. Now the first difference that we notice is in the grille pattern. You see the grille pattern has changed. It's of different design, and the older one was of honeycomb type. So this is one of the major differences, so with which you can distinguish that it is an older 2021 model. And next is your Tata logo. The Tata logo was also of different design, and this is much modern and sleek looking. So in the front you get these two differences so that you can easily identify which is the 2024 model and which is the 2021 model. But regarding the body style, it still remains the same and it is almost identical to 2021. And you see, even the car was introduced in 2021, but still the car looks fresh and contemporary. It doesn't look that the car design is around 4 years old. So that is one thing. In fact, I feel that it's still one of the best looking premium hatchbacks available in the market, although your looks are subjective. Now let's see the side profile. The side profile is also identical. You have the request sensor, then you have the same locks. It's almost same. Okay, I have upgraded my tires to alloys. Now let me tell you one thing. In 2020-21, the XT used to come with 195/55 R16. Used to come 195/55 R16, but now the newer cars are coming with 185/60 R16, 185/60 R16. Now why the size of tire change? In fact, it will help you to get better mileage, a better comfort on rough roads. So in fact, and the rear profile also, the difference is that there is a different Tata logo, and since it is your automatic model, you have the DCA badge. Now let's see the inside. The inside is almost identical. You have non-split seats with a fixed backrest. The rear headroom and rear is quite spacious. In fact, I think it's one of the biggest rear legroom and headroom. If you see this car, this is almost identical. The owner has fixed seat covers, so it has given an added look. Okay, and another difference is your door pad design. These are also bi-color, but here it is black and beige. In older cars it was grey and light grey. Also the dashboard trim is little bit different. Let's see the dashboard trim. A little on the blackish side, and the dual tone is between white and black. It gives a more premium look than the older model. And the boot space also is almost identical. 345 liters of boot space. So there is no difference in boot space either. So that's the overall overview of the car. Now we'll see how is the noise and vibration levels between 2021 model and 2024 model. Now let me show you the NVH levels. This is the NVH level of 2021 car. Here the air cleaner positioning was different, and you can easily notice the vibration levels. The engine is little bit of shaky nature in this particular model, and if I come to this, here the engine is much silent and smoother. And yes, since it is 3-cylinder, some sort of vibration will always be there, but it's within the limits and it is much quieter than this earlier model. You can see the noise can be easily identified. So this is the major difference between these two. Now if I rev the car, while I accelerate, it's little bit shaky. It is not that smooth. You can easily see that there is little bit of shake. Here the shake is much less. So that is one distinguishable difference between these two model.
ज़्यादा है इसमें ना?
हाँ, उसमें ज़्यादा है, इसमें कम है. इसमें मच स्मूथर एक्सीलरेशन है, वो कार में इतना स्मूथ है नहीं. So there has been a lot of improvement. Another noticeable change is that here you get the expansion coolant bottle visible. In my car it's hidden here. It is here. So that is also easier. You can easily notice if there is coolant or not. You need not. It looks good, but it is not a user friendly feature. So that's the NVH level of these two cars. Now we'll check the inside cabin noise with AC on. The NVH level with AC on in 2021 model, you can easily feel the vibrating engine very much. That is visible, and that is a bit annoying in this particular car. आपको महसूस होगा जब car is vibrating with AC. There is a shaky feel of the engine. We'll check with the newer 2024 model how it feels from inside and what is the NVH level. NVH level कैसा है गाड़ी का अंदर. Yes, the NVH level is much less. You don't feel that the AC is on and the engine is vibrating. That feeling is not here in this particular model. So that is a very good improvement from the previous model. And in the another difference is there, you don't have the physical buttons of the entertainment system. I feel the physical button should have been there, and the seat bolstering has been improved much more than the previous model. So that is one added improvement over the earlier model. So let's meet the new proud owner of this Altroz. Namaste and welcome to this particular interview, and thanks you very much.
Thank you very much for this, because before you start saying something, I would like to add on something.
Yes,
I'm a very regular viewer of your channel.
That's
I
so
must
kind of you.
tell you that every one of you must watch this. They both of them actually do it by their own hands and teaching many people to how to maintain their own car. So that is important. Bodhi and Dada is doing fantastically well, and I wish them all the best, and thank you for this, for letting my car getting in your channel. Thank you.
Okay, and now my first question is why you chose Altroz over other cars. There are so many negative reviews
Right.
against Altroz, but still why did you choose it? What are the main reasons?
First of all, we had been mainly using a single car in our family, so we always made it sure that should be rough and tough.
Okay.
We had been having Hyundai Santro, we had been having Swift Desire last, but you know, out of all negative thoughts, even after driving personally, the boot space, you know, the internal systems, these are all updated. first of all, and I go by Indian made, so that's very
That's
important.
one very important. And safety was one of the
Safety was one of the priority.
which you don't get in other.
Any other cars at this range, that is very important.
Another important feature I feel that it's really value for money. At the
Absolutely.
price you are getting automatic variant.
Absolutely.
That's absolutely
Absolutely.
wonderful.
Absolutely.
Because at this price you won't get an automatic.
We
in
did
all
not.
this.
We did not. We had been looking
We
for
had
other
been
cars,
looking.
right? So
Right, so
when we had been looking to this, looking forward to this, we had been getting every other thing which was really required in our budget
Yes,
as well
yes,
at the
yes.
same time.
So that was also
That was another point on
reason.
that.
And how are you feeling while you are driving this car? If I compare when you had a Desire, I
Right,
have seen.
right.
So how do you compare with your earlier car?
See, Desire was a basic VXI model.
Okay.
I love driving that car, but this is something when I'm driving or my father is driving, it gives you a feel of, riding a plane, or, you don't give that, you don't understand what is going outside, or maybe there's some major potholes, amazing shockers, and which is like giving a
In
different
fact,
experience.
It gives you a confidence of driving.
Big
this car.
confidence,
In
exactly.
fact, I have seen when I am going for long trips, you will be also
Right,
going
right.
very soon. You will definitely feel the handling quality of this car.
Absolutely.
I had
Absolutely.
also Maruti cars before
Absolutely
you have
so.
seen.
Right, right.
But the handling feature of this car is amazing.
Very amazing and very compact.
Yes.
Very compact.
So that is all.
Right.
So thanks for
Thank you very much, sir.
for
Thank you.
giving this interview and having a precious time.
Here is
Thank you.
another Altroz.
There you see another Altroz. Another Altroz just standing over there. So that's the overview of this car, and if you think if you are going to buy an Altroz in 2024, it's definitely a good buy, and you are getting all the features you need in a modern car at a very affordable package. In fact, it is a total package: safety, handling, and decent mileage and good drivability. So अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, क्योंकि आपकी लाइक और सब्सक्राइब हमारा चैनल को और एनहेंस करने में हेल्प करती है. So please do subscribe, and if you have any questions regarding Tata Altroz, I am always free to answer all your questions. Thank you very much, and goodbye and namaste.